Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Webull desktop app. First, you'll need to download the application, which is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Once installed, either create a new account or simply log in with your existing Webull credentials. It's important to have an approved brokerage account to unlock all trading features. The app offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to get started right away. Take a moment to explore the initial layout and its various sections. Once logged in, you'll find a clear interface with a left-hand menu featuring sections like Watchlist, Stocks, Markets, and Screeners. You can personalize your workspace by clicking Add Widgets to include elements like quotes or key statistics. The platform also offers a dedicated section for your account information and a paper trading simulator. Don't forget to check the settings, where you can easily switch between light and dark themes to suit your preference. Placing a trade is straightforward. Begin by using the search bar to find the stock or asset you wish to trade. Once selected, open the order entry panel. Here, you'll choose whether to buy or sell. You can opt for a market order for quick execution at the current price or a limit order to set a specific price. Remember to input your desired quantity of shares, perhaps 10 or 100, and select your time in force, such as day or good, till canceled for up to 60 days. Webull Desktop truly shines with its customization and advanced tools. You can create and save multiple layouts, tailoring your workspace for various trading styles. Dive into advanced charting, which offers more than 60 technical indicators and 12 drawing tools for in-depth analysis. The powerful market screeners help you find new opportunities by filtering stocks based on your criteria. For active traders, hotkeys streamline operations, and the paper trading feature allows you to practice strategies risk-free with virtual funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.